I'm gonna open the present, which I have no idea what it is. So, yeah.
Okay.
Wait, let me explain it. Yeah.
What the heck is this?
I don't know.
Angelique, let's see. Look this way.
Walk this way.
What's on your shirt? What's it say on your shirt?
BFF art.
Cute.
It's Hello Kitty. Because that's how mature I am.
Travel accessories.
What'd you get?
No.
I don't know what this is.
What's it say on there?
Travel accessories.
No, what's it say inside in the thing?
I don't know what these are.
No, what's it say in there? That green thing.
Passport.
Oh, that's for your passport and then for luggage tags.
Well, you don't have a
I
passport.
don't have a passport or use luggage tag.
Well, then I guess you gotta get one.
It's hard.
Okay, leave that. Let's open another one. Come on.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Snow White.
I'm making deliveries from Dallas to Sydney. And then I'm out.
Snow White's having fun.
This is the most plastic you'll ever see. From Dallas to Sydney. I'm making deliveries.
Bless you. Bless you.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Well, not the same thing. You got a different color.
Well, it's basically the same thing. It's just like different color. That makes sense.
Hacks?
Okay, what else? Let's see.
Oh,
Come
this
on.
is what you do. You do this.
Open another one.
Close this
So,
up.
Angelique, open another one. Grab another one. Come on. Angelique, grab another one. From your bag.
Where did they go?
Look, can I open them?
Oh.
She just opened them.
Okay, well, come on. Let's go. Somebody.
Just like gave up.
I'm like, calm.
Screw that.
What's that?
I don't know.
Let's see.
I honestly don't know.
Book.
Middle school is the worst year of my life.
Is that what it
Ah,
says?
Yeah. I got boxers and a shirt
Nice boxers.
and Scooby-Doo.
Cool. Anything else in there?
This.
Or is that it?
And I got some free cushioning.
Anything else in that bag, or are you done?
I'm done.
Okay, Angelique, now come on, let's
Oh,
go.
wait, there's a card.
What's it say?
I don't know. I can't